Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. So you want to know more about how to make an ice chest air conditioner? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to make an ice chest air conditioner is www.youtube.com. Specifically the page titled How to Make a Simple Hard-Sided Ice Chest, 5-gallon. This is the link. You can also try www.greenoptimistic.com, especially the page DIY, How to Make an Ice-Powered Air Conditioner in 3 Easy. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.fiscalgeek.com. The web page How to Make Your Own Homemade Air Conditioner. Here's the link.